Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Google account that will manage the shop. Open Google Business Profile and select Add a Location. Enter exact shop name and address so Maps pins place correctly. You should add phone, category, photos, and business hours now because Google favors complete listings. Once done, choose Verification Method, postcard, phone, or email, and request the verification. This unlocks editing rights and visibility on Google Maps. Next, optimize the listing so customers find you faster. Set the precise category and include relevant secondary categories to improve search relevance. Upload multiple high-resolution photos, interior, exterior, logo, because visuals boost clicks. Add detailed product or service entries with prices where applicable, and complete business description using keywords naturally. Make sure to set special hours and delivery options if offered. Once saved, regularly monitor the listing for user edits and owner suggestions to maintain accuracy. Finally, complete verification and wait for the confirmation. Once verified, confirm the shop shows correctly on Google Maps and search. You should enable messaging and respond to reviews and publish Google posts to drive traffic. Those actions improve ranking and trust. If the address is wrong, the PIN is misplaced, or verification fails, use the Business Profile Help Center to request support or resend verification. Make sure images and categories match Google policies to avoid suspension and resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.